it's up to each state or each country to regulate who's doing what. And but as for me, patients come for me.
Yeah.
So patients do not come for a technician to punch the graft. Patients do not come for technician to make the site. So for me, the critical aspect of the procedure, everything is critical, because you can punch good quality graft as a doctor. But if you don't have a proper team, because most clinics rely on flying technicians that's been trained left and right, usually without very much quality control and not being really tested. So they just go from one clinic to another, taking bad behavior from one clinic to bring it to another. So as a doctor, if you don't know all the aspects of the procedure, it becomes difficult for you to train your technician or to tell them what they're doing wrong. I have trained so many technicians in the 20 years, and I always say placing is a cherry on a cake. So for me to let a technician place, they have to convince me that they understand the dissection of the graft on a microscope, that when they say it's a single, it's really a single, not a single with a telogen hair or with 2 telogen hair, because that will grow 3 hair in a hairline if they don't see it. So when I see a clinic not using a microscope, people placing without loops, the doctor punching without loops, saying they can see very well with the naked eyes, you know, it makes me wonder if we're talking about the same procedure, because there are FUE and FUE. So we can say not all FUEs are the same, and not all FUT are the same, depending on each clinic, each doctor, the way they approach the procedure, how thorough they are in terms of vetting each step of the procedure, from harvesting, from dissecting the graft, from pulling the graft out, for placing them, for keeping the graft moist. All that are factors that will influence graft survival. So yes, the role of the technician is important, but is as important as the doctor who delegated, who train his team and tell them exactly what they should and should not do.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and for more great content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also go to www.bhrclinic.com and start your journey for a free assessment with Dr. Bisanga. Thanks ever so much. Let's get started together, and look forward to seeing you soon.